back. Many of you are probably worried about water getting into your homes, especially with more rain in the forecast. What should you do if you get water damage, and are you covered by your insurance?
NBC6 responds to your concerns. Elena Machado is here now with what you should keep in mind here, Elena.
Now, Jackie and Joanne, whether you have coverage could actually depend on how the water gets into your home. Most homeowners insurance policies don't cover damage caused by rising water. For that, you'll actually need a separate flood insurance policy, but there is a catch. One insurance expert told us in order for flood coverage to kick in, there have to be what's called general flood conditions. Listen to this.
If it's not 2 acres or more, or if it's only your property, for instance, you got your gutters are overflowing and it's splashing and coming into your house, flood doesn't cover that. And your windstorm or your homeowner's policy won't cover that either.
Now, if you have damage caused by water coming in through your roof, windows, or doors, Mike Rump says there's a good chance you'll have some coverage through your regular homeowner's insurance policy. That's why it's so important to document the damage as it happens if you can. Take pictures and videos showing where the water is coming from before the evidence is gone. And if you end up hiring a company to clean up the mess, Rump says you should be careful about what you're signing, especially if it's an assignment of benefits. Here's why.
What they're doing, in essence, is taking over your claim, taking all the money from that claim, and then they're in control of your claim. So be very cautious about doing that. They're going to be out on the streets. You'll see these guys, and if you see the wording, and it'll say right on there, assignment of benefits, you use extreme caution.
Now, here's something else to consider. If you have minor damage, Mike says that you should consider holding off on filing a claim. He says most insurance companies won't raise your rates for a claim, but they could drop you if you have too many claims, forcing you to find another way to get coverage.
Wow, that's interesting.
Yeah, definitely good to know, especially right about now.
Especially on a day like today.
All right, well, in about 3 minutes.